find the area of the circle 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9, which is interior to the parabola x square is equal to 4y. For this question I have already drawn a rough sketch for the graph, and how it comes we are going to discuss right now. Now let x square is equal to 4y be equation 1, or to this we can write it x is equal to 2 root y. Now and x square plus y square is equal to 9 upon 4 equation 2, and to this we can write it x is equal to 3 by 2 whole square minus y square. Equation of circle x square plus y square is equal to 3 upon 2 whole square represents circle at origin and radius is equal to 3 upon 2. Now coordinates of center solving equation 1 and equation 2. For equation 1 and equation 2 what we are getting 16y plus 4y square is equal to 9, and this implies 4y square plus 16y minus 9 is equal to 0. Now solving the equation using quadratic formula, y is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to minus 9 by 2. Now when y is equal to minus 9 by 2, x has no real roots. Roots are imaginary, okay? And when y is equal to 1 by 2, x is equal to plus minus square root of 2. Now plotting parabola, for the parabola let's first find the coordinates x and y, and the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to 4y. Now when y is 0, x is 0, y is 1, x is plus minus 2, y is 4, x is plus minus 4. Now with the help of coordinates of the parabola with the radius 3 by 2 and center at the origin, we have plotted this figure, okay? Circle, center at the origin, radius 3 by 2 comma 0 or radius 3 by 2, and these coordinates are 3 by 2 comma 0 and this becomes 0 comma 3 by 2, and point of intersections of the graph, sorry, points of intersection we have not mentioned, let's mention it now. Okay, here it was. Now point of intersection of parabola and circle, that are A with root 2 comma 1 by 2 and B with negative of root 2 comma 1 by 2. So this line, it should have been written here, okay. So you can just change it. Now point of intersection root 2 comma 1 by 2 and negative of square root 2 comma 1 by 2. Graph plotted with these coordinates for the parabola and circle at the center, origin at the center and radius 3 by 2. Now what is the required area? Required area is equal to area of region. Now just check it. What is the area of the region? We are having A, O, B, D and A. Okay. A, O, B, D, A. A, O, B, D and A. This is the required area for the region. Now required area can also be written as now twice of 0 to 1 by 2 x of equation 1 dy plus 1 by 2 to 3 by 2 x of equation 2 dy. Okay. Now what this is? What this is? This is equal to twice of area of OAC plus area of C, A and D. Is it clear? So now what we are having? Required area is equal to twice of, now x of equation 1. Equation 1 is x is equal to 2 root y. So we are having 2 0 to 1 by 2 root y dy plus 1 by 2 to 3 by 2 x of equation 2 square root for 3 by 2 whole square minus y square dy. Is it clear? Now let us solve it. Now this becomes 4 with y raised to power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 0 1 by 2 plus, now this becomes plus 2, this 2, okay, plus 2 with y upon 2 3 by 2 whole square minus y square plus 9 by 8 sin inverse y upon 3 by 2 from 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. Okay. So now what this becomes? This becomes 8 by 3 with 1 by 2 raised to power 3 by 2 on solving this part, because second one is 0, plus now 2 with 3 by 4 into 0 plus 9 by 8 sin inverse 1 minus 1 by 4 9 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Twice already here. Okay. 9 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 9 by 8 sine inverse 1 by 3. Now this becomes 8 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 root 2 plus 2 9 upon 8 sine inverse 1 minus, now this part, this is 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 upon 4 is 2, so this becomes 1 upon 4 into root 2. Okay, 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 upon 4 is 2, root 2, square root of 2 plus 9 upon 8 sine inverse 1 by 3. Now this can be written as 2 root 2 upon 3 minus it will be now 2 into 1 by 4, it is square root of 2 upon 2 plus 9 by 4 sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse 1 by 3. Okay, be careful for while doing the calculation part. Okay, so this 2 multiplied by this one, this 2 multiplied by this term, and this 2 multiplied by this term. So we are having 9 by 4 common, sine inverse 1, sine inverse 1 by 3, because now this becomes plus and this becomes, this becomes negative. Here it is negative. Okay. Now sine inverse x minus sine inverse y is equal to sine inverse, if you remember, it was x 1 minus y square minus y square root of 1 minus x square. So this is the formula which we have done in the inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. So now this becomes 2 root 2 upon 3 minus root 2 upon 2 plus 9 by 4 9 by 4 sine inverse, in the bracket now using this part, now x is what? X is 1 and y is 1 by 3. So we are getting 1 into 2 root 2 by 3 minus 0. So finally now what we are having? Root 2 by 6 plus 9 by 4 sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3. Units answer. So a lengthy question and a hard lengthy calculations, but be careful while solving this question, especially for the calculation.